afternoon. As Karine said, I think you know earlier this month, national security. From the beginning, we've said that this is an international challenge that requires collective and international action. And we've been able to bring together now a number of partners, including the United Kingdom, Bahrain, Canada, France, Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Seychelles, Spain, and even more to address this challenge together. Now, I think it's important to put it a little bit in perspective. Some 6 countries border the Red Sea. The Red Sea is a conduit for 10 to 15% of all global trade, 8% of global grain trade, and 12% of global seaborne oil trade. Of this total Red Sea trade, Greek, Chinese, Japanese, and German-owned vessels make up 40 to 50% of transits. All I can tell you is what I've said before. I mean, they are certainly providing the means, the tools, the capabilities, the weapons through which the Houthis are conducting these attacks. The Houthis may be pulling the trigger, but as I've said, Iran's giving them the guns.
America's national security.
Presidente Tajani, prego.
Sì, buonasera. Domanda per il Ministro. What I think is necessary in the Red Sea is to make sure that shipping can keep moving, can keep delivering oil, can keep delivering goods, and so this maritime task force that is being set up is looking for partners to help to allow that to happen, and Britain is going to be one of those partners, and I think Italy is going to be one of those partners too.